designistas! What we're gonna do, this is a jacket that we're gonna make, and we're gonna show you how to make this jacket. Turn around, this is the bottom, this is the back. Oh gosh.
Beautiful.
You gotta see yourself how amazing that is. That's so cute.
So free.
I know. Feels so good too.
Beautiful.
So turn around. So we are going to make these jackets. Come and join us.
This one, yeah. So can I put this one to 9? Yeah.
No,
All of
to
it?
0.
I mean
No,
to
just
0.
one, yeah.
Oh.
Just one, put it to 0 and then the rest.
So this is right. 0.
I think so. Thing is, if I open this one,
Oh.
if you pull it and it loose, that means it's 0. If it's too tight, that means not 0. So that's good. So now Etagu, you can come over here. It's right here. Let me show you. I will search that instead. And what I want you to do is just you actually cut them all. Some of them are still there.
Yeah.
Yeah, just cut them. Search instead. Now cut them and then you can fold them or you can. The Mr. Director want me to say something in the camera.
Okay. So this is done.
Awesome. So now. Okay, so guys, look at this top. What do you think? I mean jacket. This is one. We finished one. And now that's the second one over there. So, haha. Oh my god, I love this. That sweetheart next is
This is
really,
beautiful.
really cute.
Okay.
Nice. Okay. And that one also really nice too. Yeah, it is.
Not really like a church. That's like one of the church
That
ones.
is. It's
Yeah.
super
Yeah, but you don't
cool.
have the sleeves sewn yet, right?
Yeah, but looks kind of cool
Well,
actually.
churches, I was.
Yeah,
she
if
Oh
was
my
the-
selling them.
god.
Yeah.
They were, I think, a dark
The
red
necks
though.
looked really cute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If the sleeve is like only
Oh
like
my
one,
gosh.
one sewn.
That's it. Yeah. Actually, I can just pick that just a little bit. Oh, sorry. So that's actually pretty cool.
It's
This
coming.
color is awesome.
Yeah, it looks good on you.
Yeah.
Cool.
Thanks.
Sweet.
All right. We're
Yeah.
done
Yeah, we're done.
then? All right.